Om Sai Ram. The joy of the celebrations was marred by an accident. Earlier to the Kumbhabhishekam, Narasimha Swamiji had instructions around 7:30 a.m. from Sai Baba. You won't be able to perform Kumbhabhishekam, so do Kalasha Puja now itself. Devotees were surprised to see Narasimha Swamiji climbing the ladder to do Kalasha Puja at 7:30 a.m. itself, when the actual Muhurtam fixed was at 11 a.m. Around 8:30 a.m., Narasimha Swamiji slipped in the bathroom and broke his thigh bone. He was admitted to the Madras Medical College Hospital for treatment. His right thigh was in plaster cast for over 8 weeks. As already indicated to him by Sai Baba, Narasimha Swamiji could not perform Kumbhabhishekam, and on his behalf, Radhakrishna Swamiji performed it and also other rituals connected with it. In spite of agonizing pain and immobilization in plaster cast for 8 weeks, Narasimha Swamiji did not express this pain on his face. He welcomed this accidental fall as Sai Baba's will and a way to alleviate past karma. Sai Baba's Namasmaram was constantly on his lips. In fact, he had converted his ward in the hospital to a miniature Sai Mandir. Narasimha Swamiji's untiring efforts had put the Sai movement on a strong pedestal. By 1956, All India Sai Samaj had grown up leaps and bounds. It had good revenue. Swamiji had groomed a band of dedicated volunteers. Swamiji's Mahasamadhi. Narasimha Swamiji had laid a firm foundation for the Sai movement by 1956. Sai Baba, who was confined only to Shirdi, was already known all over India. Even in abroad, people were familiar with Sai Baba. The All India Sai Samaj had over 400 Upasamajams affiliated to it. Temples for Sai Baba were constructed all over the country, and in 1956, as many as 80 Sai temples were in existence and many more were under construction. Every day, the number of devotees worshipping Sai Baba were on the increasing trend, and in order to continue the movement started by Narasimha Swamiji, thousands and thousands of volunteers got ready. As a worthy successor, Radhakrishna Swamiji was busily engaged in spreading the Sai movement in Karnataka since 1952. Om Sai Ram.